welcome back to the channel again. I'm not in the mood today, I'm on my periods. That makes me wonder about the female athletes, how they must be feeling while they are on their periods. With the pain, with all the mood swings, less sleep, they travel, they play, and they win. Have you ever thought about it too? But trust me, it's not easy. While we are surrounded with people who has these taboo about talking about periods and not being open about things, it is even more difficult for an athlete to survive in a situation like this. So I thought, why not talk about this with someone who has gone through it very closely for all her life. Today we are going to talk about menstrual hygiene and its importance in an athlete's life through an athlete's point of view. You want to know who the athlete is? It's Madhurika Patkar. She's an international table tennis player. She's represented India for several years and she's also a current Indian team player. She's a Commonwealth gold medalist and she's also a national champion from Maharashtra, Mumbai and Thane district. So let's go. Let's hear what she has to say about menstrual hygiene.
Hello everyone.
Hi Madhurika Tayi.
Hi Ruchira, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you? So firstly, thank you so much for joining me in this conversation. I've been wanting to talk about it since a very long time and I have gone through the situation, so I know how difficult it is for a player. I wanted to speak to you and I wanted to know your take on this.
Thank you Ruchira for taking up this topic and spreading the awareness. Firstly, I want to tell that it's so nice to connect with you all and talking about menstrual cycle or periods, what we normally call, and the importance of menstrual cycle in a woman's life, in an athlete's life, the perspective, the attitude and what has to be done. I mean, it's so nice. I mean, it is a topic which is not widely spoken, but it is very important in a player's career. I have been training for a very long time, maybe you can say that 26-27 years I've been training, and it's really nice to share my experiences. I hope it reaches to many girls and boys as well, because it is important to them also, because of course you stay together and it's always nice if even the boys know about it, because they play a supporting role in a women's life, in the girl's life. So it's nice. Let's start.
Yes, let's begin. I firstly want to know your journey, how you've been facing all of this, being a female athlete, and something that you've been following since the beginning of the time you've got your first periods.
Okay, so first I'll be talking about my family background. I started playing at the age of 7. I mean, that was very early, and we are two sisters. I have a younger sister, Radhika. She's 5 years old, younger to me, and we both were into sports from the very young age, and I was very fortunate that I had a lady coach. So sharing everything with her was very much easy for me, right from the start. But what I feel is, like, over these years, like, I know I can talk because now I've gone through it. So I know that this menstrual cycle, like when the girl is like, when she starts getting periods, firstly she is very scared that what's happening to me. So firstly the parents should educate their child that this is normal, this is natural, and this is the process which you go through. So usually it happens between 10 to 13, maximum 13, not beyond that. So if the girl is well educated about it, and when she first gets the periods, it becomes really easy to accept that okay, fine, I've got periods, because it like resembles blood. So ऐसा shock में नहीं जाना चाहिए कि oh my god, what's happening to me. So firstly, the education is very important. So for me, my mom had told already, I was aware and I was well educated about periods. So I didn't go into shock कि अरे क्या हो रहा है मुझे. And also I was in the girls' school. I was in Holy Cross Convent High School. So there, like, that was the time, like, a lot of the girls used to get periods. So I was aware that okay, now abhi like this is the time. So this all really helped me, to go through that process, that transaction, and to overcome all the transitions which your body is going. Everything basically it becomes very easy when you have that environment and that supporting people, the people you know and you can trust. So it becomes really important. I have always followed the instructions of the gynecologist, a doctor, a specialist. Uske bina I have not done anything. So everything is, taken care of for me. It becomes easy for me to train even during periods.
It's lovely how having a female coach is a blessing for a female athlete. You can open up very easily, but not everyone is, of course, fortunate enough. So yeah. So moving ahead, let's go on to your second question. So generally when we start getting our periods, girls are very young. They're at a very tender age. So it gets very difficult to a lot of girls to firstly accept what is going on and to get along with it in your day-to-day life and adjust with all that is happening around you. A lot of girls are not aware of it. So I want to know from your end, how difficult was the transition for you and how did you adjust in your sporting career? Because as a sports person, it gets really difficult for girls to go practice every day, even on those days, and also go on tourneys and have the mental pressure of winning and losing.
See, I have been doing yoga, then exercises, training even during the periods, because I don't feel the pain that much. I mean, or I can take that pain also. But my body or some other girl's body is different. I mean, everybody's body is different. So what is suitable for me, it's not necessary that it will be suitable for the other girl also. हर एक जन का anatomy अलग अलग होता है. So it is always best to first know yourself, to know your body, the requirements, the changes, the feelings, whatever is happening inside you, because it is only you who will understand, and then also follow what the gynecologist is saying or the doctor is saying. So like I said, when do you accept it? When you know that it is all natural and it is happening to everybody. अगर ये सिर्फ मुझे हो रहा है, then it will be अरे कुछ तो अलग हो रहा है. But when you know that it is happening to everybody और ये stage पे ऐसे changes होने वाले हैं, so it becomes really easy to accept, है कि नहीं? But when will that happen? Again, back to point number 1, when you know about it. So that's very important. When you know about it, the acceptance, the transition becomes very smooth.
Absolutely, acceptance play a big role. Since a lot of such places, it is said that the girls who are on periods, on those days the girls are impure. So I want to know from your perspective, as into being in a sporting career, what is the key factor that can change this situation and the thinking of people around you, especially for an athlete? There are a lot of people who come from very small towns, villages, and they are wrestlers, they are swimmers, they are gymnasts. So what is it that you think should make a difference between this surrounding to make it a positive environment to live in and talk about it freely?
Thinking is very important, because I feel that the parents need to be educated more. अपने इधर तो ठीक है, it's okay, good, but there are many places where the parents are not very keen to send their girl for sports, for exercises when she starts getting her periods. But that is totally wrong. That's totally wrong. एक तो the girl is like very small, she's just 10-12 years. Like when she starts getting periods, she will be shy, she'll feel little odd, she'll be like awkward to go out essay. But it's that time when the parents should tell her, and they should be there to support her and tell her that kuch nahi hota, but to go through this period and to be strong. But when will this happen again? You know that it's perfectly normal. I tend to get irritated frustrated or like little things, you know, make me irritated like, during that time. Or before like periods आने से पहले 2-3 days before I was like अरे यार I get restless. Like these are the things which are happening to me. So open with my husband, with my Omkar, when I tell कि अच्छा पापा ऐसे I get my period. So he's like okay fine ठीक है. So he's there to support me mentally, because that time what is important is the support from your family and the close ones. Also for me, like I said before, that I was very fortunate to have a lady coach. So I used to tell Misty, okay, I'm gonna be on the periods, or Abhi now I'm on the periods. So she used to design the exercises likewise. The combinations or the sequences, the exercises which she used to give me were like less strenuous work, or some strokes which I don't usually prefer playing. So she used to give such exercises, and so that became really easy for me. But not everyone has a female coach or a female trainer. So what to do? You have to open up. And I'm not saying that abhi open up ho jao. ऐसे नहीं है. You should be comfortable. You know, कि tell that person that okay, I'm on my periods. Main thing is getting comfortable. एक ने जन बोला and then you just follow blindly. That's not the point. You have to be really comfortable when you're talking to someone, and that's there. Also, you need to be comfortable with your body. You should love your body. You know, whatever is happening to you, it is all natural and it's happening to everybody. And when you love yourself, when you love what's happening to you, the transition, if you say, the acceptance, if you say, it becomes really easy. And handling that irritation, the frustration, or what's happening to it becomes really easy when you love that part of your body, or you love that process which is happening to you.
You mentioned it correctly. You know, you should start loving your body and enjoying that process more to adapt into that situation, and that is where I think the confidence comes in for you to stand up for yourself and speak to others like, you know, this is what it is. I really agree on it. And also you've traveled a lot of countries, so I want to know what is the difference between their culture that we can adapt to start opening up more about it, talk more about it.
I think that it is changing slowly. People in our country have started taking up these topics. They started talking on these topics, and like periods, menstrual cycle, sex, these topics now we are taking it up. So it's a long way to go. Of course, we don't have to accept the culture of other countries. We should be proud of our culture, proud of ourselves, and we don't have to change anybody for us. But one step or two steps just to make ourselves better and to accept ourselves is no harm, right?
So to end it, I want to know from your end a message that you want to give to your fans, the players who want to come in, the female as well as the male athletes, and to their parents also about the situation, or overall as an athlete.
So for me as an athlete, for me through my experience, it was no problem for me to exercise, to do yoga, to play even during on the periods. But that doesn't mean that, you know, everybody has to follow me blindly. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि मधुरिका ने बोला इसलिए मैं do. Everybody's body is different, and you should give your body time to accept things, to adapt to the things. And what I feel is that a player, she has to play during, she has to practice during the periods, because periods हमें पूछ के तो नहीं आता है कि नहीं? And it happens to us every month. And what if periods come when you need to perform the most? What if it comes when you're playing the finals? You have to, you know, be ready for it. When will you be ready for it? When you practice. I have seen so many girls not playing because they are on their periods. Maybe they find an excuse to just take a break maybe, but it's affecting them at a very subconscious level. You know, कि मेरा periods आ रहा है, मैं rest ले रही हूँ. It affects unknowingly at the subconscious level. But what I feel is that if you really want to perform even at at any cost, you really need to practice it. It's important for every player to know what's happening to yourself. That's very important.
Absolutely true. Before our on-ground coach, our first coach are going to be our parents. So parents need to be very open or friendly with their kids. And I'm really happy for an athlete to come out and speak about this so openly. Who struggled, who's done their hard work and reached a point. You guys are an inspiration to the upcoming parents as well as the kids. Thank you so much, Madhurika. It was a great conversation.
It was really nice connecting with you all, and it was really nice sharing my experience. And thank you, Ruchira, for taking up this topic, because this topic is very less spoken about, and I think that it is changing slowly. So that's it, folks.
Thank you so much for doing this with me. I really enjoyed it. I hope you had a great time too. And to the ones, guys, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to share, subscribe and like if you have enjoyed it. And be safe, maintain the social distancing and do not go out. And also remember, periods or no periods, we are the best.